my God, Sarah! You will not believe who just texted me. It's Leo! Leo? The cute guy from the beach in Mallorca? What did he say? He asked if you're single. He asked me out for dinner tonight at 8 o'clock. I have nothing to wear and my hair is a disaster. Calm down, Lily. We have 12 hours. It is time for a full beauty emergency day. First, we need to make appointments. Hair, nails, eyelashes, and maybe a relaxing spa. Look, the luxury salon downtown has a last-minute slot at 10 a.m. Should I wear the red dress or the blue one? What if it's too formal? First, we get you ready, then we choose the dress. Trust the process. Let's go. Your glow-up journey starts now. My heart is beating so fast, Sarah. What if I spill soup on my dress tonight? Hello. I have an appointment under the name Lilly.
Welcome, Lilly. I'm Marc. What are we doing with your beautiful hair today?
I want a fresh trim, some soft waves, and maybe a little bit of hydration.
Is the water temperature okay for you? Not too hot?
It is absolutely perfect, thank you. This feels so relaxing.
Perfect. Just a tiny trim, right? We want to keep your hair long and healthy. To get maximum volume, I always blow dry the roots first. These soft waves will look stunning on you tonight. Are you going somewhere special?
Yes, a special date.
Wonderful. Let's make it perfect.
I love them.
Almost done. Oh, how romantic. Just be yourself. Your hair already looks like a movie star's. Big plans tonight?
Actually, yes. I have a first date tonight with someone I met on vacation.
That's exciting. You look perfect.
Wow, Marc, I love the shine. It looks incredibly healthy. Wow, Lily, you look amazing. OMG. Thanks, Marc, but now I really need to do my nails. Let's go to the manicure. Hi, Yuki. I need my nails done. Something elegant but simple. Of course, Lily. Let's find the perfect look. Let's go with the soft pink. And can we shape them round, please? Not too square. Perfect. First, I will file your nails, then apply the base coat. Put your hand under the UV light for 60 seconds, please. Next up, lashes. I want them to look natural but full. Just keep your eyes closed and relax. This will take about 45 minutes. The music is so soothing. I am almost falling asleep. Oh, wow. My eyes look so bright and open. I don't even need mascara now. Lily, look at you. You look like a brand new person already. Time for the final touch. A glowing facial treatment. First, we cleanse your skin to remove all impurities. This gentle scrub will make your skin incredibly smooth. The warm steam is great for hydration and opens up the pores. We apply a hyaluronic acid mask for that extra dewy glow. And of course, some cool cucumber slices to reduce any puffiness. This is the best emergency plan ever, Lily. I need this every weekend.
Your skin is glowing, Lily. You look radiant.
Thank you so much. That was heavenly. You're welcome. We're so glad. Goodbye. Take care. Thank you so much. That was heavenly. We're so glad you enjoyed it. Bye. See you soon. Take care. Bye. 2 hours left. Let's get home and put on the dress. You got it. We'll be there in no time. Your skin is so perfect from the spa, you barely need any foundation. Just a little bit of perfume, not too strong, just sweet. Ta-da! What do you think, Sarah?
Oh, Lily, you look absolutely breathtaking. Leo is a very lucky guy. No high heels tonight. I want to be comfortable if we go for a walk. He is here! Oh my goodness, my stomach is full of butterflies! Go get him, girl! Have the best time and text me everything later.
This is it, my big night. I feel confident, happy, and ready. Hi, Leo. Thank you so much for accompanying me on my big beauty day today. Did you learn some new beauty words today? If you did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to pamper yourself? See you next time. Bye!